Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at a 2-bedroom, 1-bath manufactured home at lot J-15 in Carteret Mobile Park. Carteret Mobile Park is a land lease community based in Carteret, New Jersey. So this is a brand new home we just finished not too long ago. The sale of this house is currently pending, but we do have many other spots for very similar houses to be built. So this is the outside of the house. You can see it comes equipped with outside water and electric. Take a look inside now. So you've got the living room right here. Ceiling fan right above. This room, as well as both the bedrooms, comes equipped with a cable jack. So they're ready to put a TV in. Here's the kitchen. We have all stainless steel Whirlpool appliances. They have a warranty through the manufacturer. Here you've got side by side, freezer on the left, refrigerator on the right. Get this really pretty Backsplash subway tile. Here is the dishwasher. And you've got this really nice farm sink with an extendable nozzle. And it comes with all that stuff on top, so you get that cutting board, the drying rack, and I believe there's a wire rack in there as well. Here is the stove oven combination. It also has a heating tray at the bottom. Got the microwave right above it. Lots of cabinetry in this kitchen. You can see that they have adjustable shelves as well. And this corner one also has extra space. You can also see here the example of the slow closing mechanism that the doors have. So if you close them, it won't slam. Here's the back door. And here we have the bathroom. So right above the mirror, you have an overhead light. And this house also has 2-inch blinds, as you can see there on the window. And I'd also like to take note of the black hardware that we have throughout this home. So this is a new feature that we're offering. And I think it just looks a lot more elegant. You can see it's on all the door handles and the sink faucet. And the frame around the shower. Here we'll take a look at the closet here. Got a wire rack that's pre-installed. And we give you 2 extra screens. Right on the right of me. Here you have the whole house shutoff valve. And that sticker you saw in the center is the data plate, which has all the information about the home. Behind this door we have the 40-gallon water heater. And here's that cable jack that I mentioned before. Right behind the door, you have the electrical panel. Now this is just like a regular home, so it's 100 amps, and everything is already labeled in there for you. Now we'll take a look at the rest of the house. Here is the furnace, which is responsible for the central air conditioning and forced hot air in this house. I really like these AirQuest furnaces because they have that super easy to change filter at the top. You just flip that top down, pull out the filter, and then put a new one in there. And this is the second bedroom. Right behind the door here, you have the closet. Now, if you're interested in this house, please go to www.myhomeincarteret.com. There you can fill out the pre-qualifying questions, which will get you started on the path to owning your dream home. Thank you.
This house was built by Dolan Homes. Dolan Homes has been building homes in New Jersey in our 3 communities since 1954. These are Robert Dolan here is the managing partner, and you also have Xander Dolan and Patrick and myself. It's a small family business. We build manufactured homes in our 3 mobile home communities. So it's Carteret Mobile Park, Edison Mobile Estates, and Harbor Crossings. We have a fabulous crew. They've been with us a very long time, and they put these houses together very quickly. Conception and Raul are the main crew. Here's Conception, here's Raul. We're 4 generations. The first generation has now passed, and then Robert and myself are the 2nd generation, and then our nephew and our son are the 3rd generation, and then our grandson and grandnephew are our 4th generation. We have lots of advantages to owning your own house in Carteret, New Jersey. Carteret Mobile Park is located right near the turnpike, and on the other side is Route 9 and Route 1. We're very conveniently located. You could be in Manhattan in 25 minutes. You could take the train into from Rahway into New York City. We're a land lease community, so we provide that in emails when people contact us and answer our pre-qualifying questions. So this is our address, 1501 Roosevelt Avenue, Carteret, New Jersey, and this is our the original farmhouse in the front of the old farm, which was converted into a mobile home park. Our entrance is on Blair Road. We see everyone by appointment only. So once you make an appointment, you'll follow the signs to reach the office. You come in on this side street. This is our maintenance building, not our office. And I have signs on it to let people know. And there's little banners on the light poles to tell people how to get to the office. There's plenty of signs to show the way. This is the back part of the maintenance building, and I have a little sign there that shows that this is not the office, this is the maintenance building. So we have beautiful homes. Here's a whole series of them. It's very quiet, it's very safe. We're very proud of the beautiful homes that we build. Here's a gorgeous house, just a 1-bedroom. Here's another house. I believe that's also a 1-bedroom. This one's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. This is a beautiful flowers in some of the tenants' homes. It just looks so pretty. Everyone takes care of their places, and it's just a delight to be here, and all the residents love it. We're really honored to be a part of making the American dream of home ownership a possibility. This was a beautiful story where this gentleman bought this house and found the American flag in the shed, and it was a very moving moment for all of us because he had just migrated from Cuba. So we get a lot of immigrants coming to us as their first home ownership, and it's such a pleasure to help them. Or downsizing or upsizing. We have all sorts of people in our community. So come join us, myhomeincarteret.com.